Oh, Benny's enjoying his new paths. Let's go this way, all the way around. Come on. Come on, Benny. Oh, goodness. Oh, I think the paths are a big hit. You like that, Benny's? Come here, Benny boys. We got one more path. Oh, I think he found it. We'll see. Mommy's got one more path for you, Ben. Come here, sweetheart. Want to go down this path? Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, there goes Luna. Come on, Benny. Benny. Come on, sweetie. Ben. Benny, you want to go on the path? Bye, Benny. No! Luna, that's naughty. You do not pull on the fence like that, Luna. Come on, Benny. Here he comes. No, Ben. He missed it. What is he doing? Oh, he's going to come up that path. Wow, look at you. Good job.